Corporate tax filing season means extra hours, manual data preparation, and last-minute hassles. How do you maintain accuracy and efficiency while making your tax compliance smart and simple? It's time to bid farewell to manual processes, last-minute finalizations, and compliance stress. Presenting EY DigiCorporateTax, a modular cloud-hosted application for all your corporate tax compliance needs. EY DigiCorporateTax has enabled over 3,500 validations for error-free tax filing, filed over 2,500 corporate returns in the last 2 years, resulting in time efficiency of up to 40% for organizations. What makes EY DigiCorporateTax the most robust, successful tax filing platform? With EY DigiCorporateTax, you can automate data ingestion from various sources, auto-consolidate division-level data, achieve speed and accuracy in data ingestion with bulk upload feature, autofill the financial statements in ITR form, keep a tab on historical data with an inbuilt data repository, ensure accuracy and efficiency in reporting through integration with other EY digital assets. That's not all. With workflow management and audit trail, bolster governance, risk, and control in your tax compliance. During and beyond the tax season, EY DigiCorporateTax helps you make better decisions through intelligent dashboards. With EY DigiCorporateTax, you can also keep pace with the digitally transforming Indian tax department. This tax season, use EY DigiCorporateTax to keep it smart and simple.